Happy Wednesday. Anthony Special here with Big Energy Profits. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Want to give you a quick market update here, let you know what's going on during this short holiday week. Today pretty much marks the last day of the month and the last day of Q1. And as always the case, this is the time of the year, and this is quarterly, that, everyone's cleaning up their books a little bit. So investors are taking a standpoint. Of course, it's time to make reports, send them to their clients, so on and so forth. So there's normally a little bit of stability in this time, and then we'll see where we head from here. Now, what doesn't normally happen is an OPEC Plus meeting, which is scheduled for tomorrow, and they've pretty much let the cat out of the bag. There's been some leaks of where they stand, and with that being said, they're really in a mode of just forwarding, for April what they've done already in March, even through May, with just some minor to small tweaking. They're really not looking for any major changes at this point. And the reason for that becomes this. Listen, we are still balancing this equation of supply and demand. Now, OPEC can control the supply. The demand becomes an equation based on the vaccine rollout, the COVID-19 cases, things of that nature. So as we continue to work with this, that's kind of where we stand. So they are doing their part from a supply standpoint, to try to balance and instill stability into the market. It's just where we're at. With that being said, talking about stability and supply, we have a expected inventory report to be released today at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Analysts are expecting a 1.3 million barrel draw, and we will see what that comes out, and I will update you on that tomorrow. And from a purely technical standpoint, it looks like for today and potentially even the balance of the week, the mid $59 area should serve us as a pretty firm floor, and the mid $62 area should serve us as a pretty firm ceiling at this point. So, we're in this area of consolidation, congestion, whichever term you prefer. And once we have some direction, of course, we're going to be poised for it. So we have some great positions that are open here at Big Energy Profits that are in the profit. And we have a couple others that we are waiting for them to manifest, but we are primed up to take advantage of this market regardless of what happens. So guys, if you want to learn more about how you can take advantage of this market, there's a link directly below this video. Click on it, check out my training webinar, get signed up for Big Energy Profits, and we'll be happy to welcome you to the Big Energy Profits family. Guys, have a blessed day. I hope you're enjoying this holiday season, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.